In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Autoresponder in GetResponse. We'll start right from the main dashboard so you can follow along step by step. Once you're logged into your GetResponse account, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There you'll see an option called Tools. Click on that and a large mega menu will open. In this menu, find the section labeled Automate and then click on Autoresponders. This is where you'll create and manage all of your automated email messages. Inside the Autoresponders section, look for the button that says Create Autoresponder and click it. A pop-up window will appear asking how you want to create your autoresponder, either by myself or with AI. Both options are valid, but in this walkthrough, we'll choose by myself so you can see all the manual settings and understand what's happening behind the scenes. Now you're inside the autoresponder editor. At the top, you can give your autoresponder a clear name or title. This is just for your internal reference, so choose something that makes it easy to recognize later, like Welcome Day 1 or Promo Follow-up. Just below that, you'll select the list you want this autoresponder to be linked to. This controls which subscribers will receive the message. Next, you'll configure the autoresponder settings. Here, you decide when the message should go out. You can set it for a specific number of days after someone subscribes, and then choose whether it should send at the exact sign-up time, with a delay, or at a specific time you define. You can also select the days of the week when the message is allowed to be sent, which is useful if you prefer not to send emails on weekends or certain days. You'll then choose your From email address and your Reply To address. These tell your subscribers who the email is from and where their replies will go, so make sure they're correct and recognizable. Under the subject line section, type in the subject your subscribers will see in their inbox. Make it clear and relevant to the content of the email. For the design of your message, click Design Message. The page will reload and show tabs at the top, such as pre-designed templates, your own templates, blank templates, the HTML editor, or existing messages. Pick whichever starting point works best for you, hover over it, and click Use Template. The email editor will open, and here you can customize your content, images, and layout. When you're happy with your email, click Next in the top right corner to return to the main autoresponder editor. You'll also see an option called Email Annotations for Gmail Promotions tab. When you click that, it will expand and let you add extras like a sender logo, a short description, a promotion code, an offer time range, and a promotion card. These can help your email stand out in the Gmail Promotions tab. Finally, scroll to the tracking section. Here you can enable or disable click tracking, site visitor behavior tracking, and Google Analytics integration, depending on your needs and privacy preferences. Once everything looks good, go to the bottom right and click Save and Publish. Your autoresponder is now set up and ready to start sending automatically based on the rules you just configured.